Hi, my name is Nicole, and we're going to talk about cycles and transits and digital currencies using astrology in this course. In this first module, I'm going to talk about basic astrology, including cycles in astrology and other important information. This will be the foundational information in this course, so take your time. And especially if you're new to astrology, I encourage you to do more research. And also, we included practical applications at the end of each module, so make sure you check it out. We added downloadable PDF files so you can review them as well. Here's a quick introduction of myself. My name is Nicole. I'm an astrologer and tarot reader and healer.
And my name is Dave. I'm an astrologer, life coach, and filmmaker, and I'm going to be teaching you about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.
I'm going to facilitate this first module with you guys. In astrology, we first focusing on 10 planets and 12 zodiac signs for the zodiac wheel. In order to understand this, we have to talk about Earth orbit cycles. So here is the sun, and Earth is located here. And Earth is also spinning. As the sunlight hits the Earth, the points become daytime, and where the shadow cast on the Earth becomes nighttime. So the Earth spin determines our daytime and nighttime. In other words, if it's daytime in North America, then it's nighttime in Asia. So the Earth orbiting itself brings daytime and nighttime in our time zones as well. Also, our Earth orbit cycle takes an entire year and brings our 4 seasons. Also, the reason why we use these 12 zodiac signs is because Earth is going through these 12-star constellations. Let's look at the picture. The Earth is spinning through these 12 zodiac signs. As you can see, here is a Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. And it goes all the way to Pisces. And then Aries to start another season. That's why we use these 12 zodiac signs in astrology. Also, we have 10 planets in our solar system that impacts us the most. That's why we use these 10 planets and 12 zodiac signs. And also, when Earth is passing certain sign, it marks the seasons. In astrology, we have cardinal signs, which are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. When Earth is passing those signs, it brings the beginning of the spring, summer, fall, and winter. And also, we have a fixed sign, which are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. They represent the middle of each season. It's very fixed energy because their job is to maintain the season. So you can imagine the peak of each season being represented by those signs. And lastly, we have mutable signs of Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. And they represent the end of each season, so they bring change. Our ancestors used the zodiac signs by looking up the sky and saw them as a giant calendar system so they can plan better for agriculture and livestock. Here is another picture of Earth orbit cycle. So you can see our 12 zodiac signs. Of course, we see other star constellation as well. It's just our Earth is passing through these 12 zodiac signs. That's why we get impacted by them. This is the picture of our solar system. On the left side, we have the sun. Mercury is the closest to the sun. And then we have a Venus. Here is the Earth. And the little dot around the Earth is the moon. Then we have a Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto being far away out there. As you can see in this picture, we see other asteroids as well. But in this course, we're not going to talk about asteroids. However, if you're interested in asteroids, I highly recommended you to research about them too. Their archetypes are very interesting as well. So now we understand why in astrology we use 12 zodiac signs and 10 planets from our solar system. Now let's look into how they are placed in our galaxy. When I was in school, I studied about this galaxy in 2D form. The sun being in the middle and all the other planets are just moving around it. And I'm gonna play this video. See, the sun is in the middle and all the other planets are just orbiting around it with its own speed and cycle. Let's see what is actually happening in the galaxy. So as you can see, our solar system is actually moving like a 3D. DNA helix structure with the sun being in the middle. And our planets are circling around it. The entire solar system is moving together. Isn't it so fascinating? And also, our solar system is located in this Milky Way galaxy, and our entire solar system is located in this little dot. So we are really small part of this big, giant cosmos. Because we are located in this Milky Way galaxy, we can observe this beautiful pattern from Earth, and depending on your location, the Milky Way galaxy shows up like that or like this. Isn't that so beautiful? And also in the video, do you remember our solar system was moving together? Right? Can you imagine where our solar system is heading? Recently, scientists confirmed the trajectory of our solar system in the Milky Way galaxy. This goes ups and downs and up and down while going along this circular pattern. This cycle is a lot longer than the tropical astrology we experience in our lifetime. So remember the smaller cycle I talked about earlier, and Earth is spinning in the 12 zodiac signs and bring the 4 seasons and takes 1 year? But this cycle takes 25,920 years to complete one cycle. We can divide this cycle by the 12 zodiac signs as well. Our solar system will take 2160 years to pass through each sign. The important thing to remember here is our solar system moves in the opposite direction through the zodiac signs. So classical tropical astrology starts the new year at the spring equinox, starting with the Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, and through all these signs and back to the Aries again. But the solar system cycle or the precession of the equinox goes in the opposite direction. It will be something like Leo, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Aries, Pisces, and then Aquarius. Our solar system has been in the sign of Aquarius since 2012. Although this date has some debates in the astrological community. In this course, we're gonna use 2012 as the starting point of the age of Aquarius, since it is referenced in the Mayan calendar.